What's up, Jeezy? I'm here.
Hey, what up, E? I'm running like 5 minutes behind, man. Yeah, just 5 minutes, man. I got you soon as I'm done. I got you. Thanks for coming in a little bit early, though.
All right, man. It's no problem.
All right, good. Hey, E, I'm ready for you.
Okay, cool. I gotta use the restroom.
Are you kidding me? Is this a prank? You gonna sit here and go to the bathroom the moment you decide to walk up and get a haircut? You've been sitting there for 10 minutes. You could have used the bathroom when you came in the front door. Oh, well, you know what? I ain't waiting on him. I'm about to go to Starbucks and get me a mocha latte. That's what I'm finna do. I'm getting tired of this. I ain't waiting on him. He waiting on me.
Hey, bro, I'm trying to change the game with this one. I'm trying to switch it all the way up. The world is not ready for how I'm about to tell you how to cut me. I'm gonna change the game with this. Bro, it's gonna revolutionize the barber industry. It's gonna change the spectrum. You see, I'm on some next level stuff, see? You right here, and you know, I appreciate what you're doing. The little effort that you're putting in, but I'm trying to bring you right here. See, you know, like the nursery rhyme. Like the cow was on the ground, but it jumped over the moon. And see, that's where I'm trying to bring you. I'm trying to bring you over the moon.
Oh, yeah, what do you want? What's it? What is it?
Okay, see, I want a bald line all the way around.
Right.
And then I want you to blend it up to here. A little bit off the top, just a little bit. And then, here's the game changer.
Right.
Are you listening?
I'm listening.
All right, listen close. On my face, nothing off. What you think about that? You hear me? Is you listening? You ain't ready. They ain't ready. I told you, didn't I tell you? I told you when I told you.
Now I ain't even whispering no more. Every single week, you come in here and ask for the same haircut. Talking about you wanna switch it up. You're ugly. Oh, when you go to Bob's Burgers, you wanna ask for a cheeseburger without the cheese face. Well, what I do for you and what you do for me don't add up. The only time I can count on you is when I count the minutes that you get out of my chair looking.
tired, man. I've been here since 6. Man, hey, I know you tired. I know you tired.
I'm trying to get home just like you.
Right. Woo, man, that was big.
You might want to lock the door, bruh. Lock the door.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Listen, I appreciate you. First of all, foremost, I want to tell you I appreciate you. Can I get a quick line?
Man, I've been here since 6 o'clock this morning.
I understand, my good friend. I understand you've been working your legs. Your muscles on your legs look so strong. And your muscles right here, you've been working out. Can I get a quick line? That's all I need, that's all I need.
I'm trying to go home. I'm tired.
I understand, you'll do it, you'll do it, you'll do it, you'll do it. Just a quick line.
You came here at 6 o'clock. That's the time we close.
I understand that. That's why I say a quick lineup. A quick one.
Look, I got a wife at home that's waiting on me. I got kids that's hungry. I got a dog to feed. I'm trying to go home. I've been standing on my feet all day.
Just give me a damn lineup. I don't want to hear nothing else. A damn lineup now.
All right, have a seat.
Good.
Hey, I gotta go use the restroom.
You gotta use the restroom?
Yeah.
Now, behoove you me. When they go to the bathroom, are they actually using it? Or are they checking out their cut? Because see, I had somebody do that to me last week, and it didn't seem like they even washed their hands. The moment they stepped in, they stepped right back out. I was like, Ali, wash your hands, bruh. And they want to dap me up. I'm like, nah, I'll give you a fist pump. But it is what it is. I'll see him when he come out.
Man, I'm glad I went to the bathroom because I didn't know what this cut was gonna look like. And from the looks of it, man, is my line crooked? And he took 15 minutes to cut my hair. Man, that was the quickest cut I ever got. Yeah. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna take an Instagram picture after this one when I get home. Yeah. Please believe that. You the man. I knew you was when I saw you. Yeah, but he still ain't getting no damn tip.
All right, you ready to see what you look like?
You did well. You did well, my brother. See, you was down here. You understand me? And I brought you up here. You see that? You see what you done? You did good, young man. And now it's time to show the world what you've done to me and what I've done for you. You see, you was down here and I brought you up here. The elevation is ignited within you. Come here. Hey, It's YouTube. This your boy E Moolah Plays, man. Follow me on Instagram. We doing this skits all the time. Me and you know who. 360 Jeezy.
That's a duo.
Hey,
That's a duo.
we collab. Hey,
We collab.
Hey,
We collab.
hey, hey.
Don't know sad. When we collab, they gon' be sad. And I'm in it, and I'm in it, and I'm in it. Check it out.
Hey.
And I'm in it.
Hey.
Yeah, I knew that. If I knew that
Today. It's a new day today. I am E Moolah Plays.
Oh.
I came to play. Oh, you could call me Baby MJ.
Oh, check it out. You know what I'm about. The name is 3, but don't forget the 360. Check me out. The words that are coming out of my mouth.
Hey,
This E Moolah Plays, and you know we do it every day.
hey.
Cause we ain't going back and forth with you.
I'm living my best life. Hey, bro, I want you to hear something real quick.
What's that? What's it? Let me see.
Hey.
That's your intro?
Yeah.
That's dope. This is how E Moolah Plays on them.
Appreciate you for that, man. The little work that you're doing, man. The little effort that you're putting in. You know.
Like, dang. I mean, I'm just really inquisitive to hear what you got to say. Stop it.
I told you, didn't I tell you? I told you. I told you when I told you.
Hold on, keep going. Keep going.
I wish I wasn't looking. Dang.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't hold it myself. But if we do it enough,